Hello everyone, welcome back. If the Smart Invert keep turning on your iPhone or iPad before or iOS update when you restart the iPhone, then do the following step to fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, we are going to launch settings. Here we are going to find and tap on accessibility and tap on display and text size. Here you will see your option Smart Invert and make sure that this option is disabled. Then go back and tap on pre-app setting. Here you will see your option of app home screen and tap on Smart Invert and make sure that off is selected. Then back and better you will remove the home screen, and that's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.